to deal with karmic issues, if you feel that there are some very, very bitter issues going on with your family, and you feel that the people in your family are your biggest of enemies, then just keep watching, because in this video we are going to discuss about how to deal with family karmic issues. Hi, I am Preeti and I am going to help you with this. I'll just give you the best of the things that are necessary for you to know, and then you take it from there how you feel your issues are going to resolve. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing is, see what the pattern with karmic issues is. If any family is going through a karmic period, it will be for a certain duration. I know that that duration can be like a few years, 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, and to go through a certain very toxic period, very toxic kind of environment for like 10-15 years, it can be really toxic for a soul to go through. But yes, eventually these kinds of issues, they resolve with time. Let's say for 15 years you and your family members, you guys did something toxic to others. So now this is going to happen with you for like the next 15 years. Okay, so with time that thing is just going to fade away on its own. Okay, those issues will fade away on its own. The next thing is, sometimes the issues, the karmic issues will not resolve on its own. As I said in the earlier thing, that it may just dissipate on its own, but sometimes they don't dissipate on its own, and it may require on your part to do certain karmas, so that you get over that karmic phase. Or it can be that you have to not do certain karmas to get over that karmic phase. So now how do you know whether to do certain karma or not do certain karma, and which are the karma that you need to do or don't need to do? You can actually meditate over this, and you can ask your inner self, what is the exact path? How can you overcome that situation? Some karmic issues, they usually subside when all the family members, they start walking on the path of their purpose. When people are not walking on the path of their purpose, there will be certain toxicity that actually prevails in the family, prevails in the environment. But once your karma is like pure, it is pure and clean, that is when you will actually be aligned on the path of your purpose. Then slowly these karmic issues will subside. Sometimes distancing yourself away from your family also helps to resolve karmic issues. It doesn't exactly resolve, but it can actually break the pattern of that toxic environment, so that you and your environment, you and your family are breaking that chain and not letting things get nasty further. Sometimes when a family or a group of people, they are going through this kind of phase, people usually feel like giving up. They feel like quitting from life. See, let me tell you, karma is something that you can get over it only once you spend it, only once that baggage is empty. If you, I have heard this very beautiful quote from Dan Lok, that if you are in hell and if you quit, you will continue to stay in hell. So that is what happens even with karmic issues. If you are going through a very difficult and very toxic karmic phase in your life and you give up, again in the next birth you are going to be born with the same karmic issues, and maybe even some more karma, some more punishment because you gave up earlier. So this is the reason why giving up on life, it does not end your karmic cycle. That karmic cycle will end only after you spend it. Okay, so there is no, you cannot escape your karmic baggage, you cannot escape your karmic cycle. If you are going through certain problems, you will have to go through them and complete that entire package deal that you had signed up earlier. And only once you have spent the entire package deal, only then you will be able to get over those karmas. Okay, so so this is the video for karma, how to get over family karmas. Let me know in the comments how did you like this video, and let me know in the comments if some part of this video was really helpful to you. Okay, I will see you again in my next video. Until then, also make sure that if you feel that some people are going through some karmic issues, try to share this video with them, because they may, this video may actually be like a blessing to them. Because there are times when people are going through this kind of phase and they have no idea how to deal with it. At least this video will give them some kind of direction, some kind of answers that they are searching for. Still, I know that the karma that they are going through, the suffering that they are bearing, it is only up to them, This video cannot help them to take away that suffering. But still, this video can actually help them to give the right knowledge about karmic issues and how to get over them. Okay, so this is it for this video. I'll see you again in my next video. Until then, keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. If you have liked this video, hit the like button and share in the comments how did you feel this video is. Okay, bye bye.
Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. When you click on the bell icon, select all notifications so that you get notified about all the videos that I upload.